SociJam 2.0 is about to revolutionize self-expression on the internet's biggest social network. You'll finally be able to bold words, add emphasis and a whole lot more, making your posts, your ads and comments get noticed. Attention is earned, valued, and spent. In short, attention is the real currency at work in our internet age. With 4.6 billion pieces of new content created online daily, the competition to capture attention is fiercer than ever. In fact, the last 30 years has produced more information than the previous 5.000. Start using and enjoying SociJam 2 in less than 60 seconds from now. Step 1. Add your WYSIWYG Editor content. Simply log into your SociJam 2.0 dashboard and add your content to the editor, which allows you to bold, italic, underline or add emojis to your content and view changes in real time. Step 2. Generate and copy for profit content. Once you have styled your content to engage more with audiences in the editor, simply click the Generate button and copy the generated for profit content ready to go. Used on Facebook anywhere. Step 3. Stick and enjoy. It is made sure to get you the most engagement without any extra effort or cost. All you need to do is just add a simple, yet powerful touch to your posts, stories, and ads and unlock ways to get more profit than ever before. SociJam 2.0 Review. Pros and cons. SociJam 2 Review. Pros. Cloud-based and easy to use. Not time-consuming. Promote originality. No need other software. Swift and simple operation. Easy to edit and change effects. Highlight the important things you want. No need for having any previous experience. SociJam 2 Review. Cons. There is none. SociJam 2 Review. What SociJam 2.0 can do: sell more products with the main bottleneck, engagement, out of the way. You will be able to create extremely profitable campaigns for your e-commerce products at an astonishing rate. Just follow their simple SociJam 2.0 system and start enjoying more sales without spending extra money. More reach and engagement. With so many features available at your fingertips, you can start cashing in the free traffic that you'd have been missing out on simply because of your low attraction rate. Your visitors are simply glued to your posts, and this is easily achieved with SociJam 2.0. Even if you are only working part-time as an online marketer at the moment, easily create high return on investment ad campaigns if you choose to use it for paid advertising on Facebook. You know Facebook is the goldmine of highly targeted traffic. However, for your ads to be profitable, your creatives must be very attractive for low advertising costs. With SociJam 2.0, you have more than 6 features available to make your ads impossible to scroll. Complete Arizona video training included directly in your SociJam 2.0 dashboard. You'll find a comprehensive set of training videos and walkthroughs guiding you every step of the way, from start to setting up super engaging posts and ads on Facebook, and how you can become a simple Facebook instant cash post. The all-cloud, beginner-friendly video training included. They made SociJam 2.0 100% cloud-based, so you don't need to host or install anything. All you need is an active internet connection and you can set up profit campaigns from any device, browser or operating system. You don't have to be a tech expert or a high-end designer. They kept it stupidly simple that even an 8-year-old boy or a 70-year-old granny could do. Their simplicity of copy and paste makes it very easy to use.